Hi. Testing. 1 2 1 2. All these. Yo. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jeelovee, and welcome back to my motherfucking channel. So, I hope I don't look ashy, and I hope y'all can't see my hair under this bonnet, because baby, a mess. Anyway, we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm not even about to tell you what's in this package because y'all already know. Get out if you're gonna continue to laugh and make fun of me. I'm tired of it. Get out. Let's try this again.
2 hours later.
What's up, YouTube? We're gonna open this package. I'm so strong, man. We have hair. This box is absolutely pretty. Actually, I've never had this one before, and I've worked with this company before. If you want to know what company this is, please don't ask me. Give me 1 minute. That's because, look, Parasol. I'll leave all of the details, but that is the company name. I'm probably pronouncing it so wrong. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm sorry. Anyway, wig cap, wig. Smell like factory hair. Size, I like it. I have a small ass head. It needs to fit, and most of my wigs becoming big as hell. And yeah, I feel like I won't have to glue this on because it looks like it fit. And unfortunately, I ran out of bleach, so I can't bleach my knots. And yeah, these knots definitely need to be bleached, but that's okay. That's okay. This is the hair. Cute, right? I will be back to try it on. Guys, I lost the wig. How the hell you lose the goddamn wig? Ain't that the point of this video, Jeelovee? What are you doing? Oh my god. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all probably sick of me at this point, but the hair is so cute. What inch is this? I thought it was an 18-inch. This do not look like no damn 18-inch. Oh no, it's a 16. Maybe when I wet it, but this more like 12-inch.
myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Y'all, I'm so annoyed because if only y'all knew what I just went through trying to glue this darn wig on. Like, it was not fun at all. It was literally a struggle the entire time. But anyway, so right here I'm just doing baby hairs. I can't even talk because I'm like so annoyed. I'm just slicking the goddamn hair back. That's it. I'll come back in just a second. All right, I'm sorry. I know you guys were jamming to that Wayne Wonder, No Letting Go. If you don't know that, then you're too young. But anyway, I just wanted to stop in really quickly and let you guys know that they do have a sale going on. Well, not really a sale, but it's like a promotion. So you can save 7% on the hair, and your total for this 16-inch will come to $81 versus almost $90. Yeah, so yeah, if you do plan on getting this hair soon, you'll get to save 7% on this, which definitely helps because you save about $7. Okay, back to the music.
Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 other ways split it, 100 racks.
Anyway, look at this hair. Look at my hair. I will have plenty of pictures for y'all. I had a mini little photo shoot before this. That's why the hair puffed up. But it just looks so natural. The texture is just, everything is just natural feel. And I feel like I say that about all my curly reviews, but all of them are good hair. So, I mean, period. They're all good hair. And this one it's just so pretty. I wish the glue would stick because I would keep this on for a while, but I know it's going to lift up and it's just going to be irritating trying to keep gluing this down. I give this hair a 10 thumbs up. Yeah. Again, it's by, I think the total was like, I always forget. And then the inch is like, that's 16. Yeah, this is 16-inch. It doesn't look 16 to me. More like 12, maybe 14. But I don't know about 16. But I guess maybe when you wet it and you stretch it, you gotta, guys, for a 16-inch, you gotta stretch real long, and then you just might make it to a 16. But it's cute. I really do like this hair. And yeah, thanks for sticking around. I'm sorry that I couldn't give more of a detail on how I glued it on, but the glue was terrible. I'm sorry. This is how you install your hair with not bleaching the knots. Easy install, literally no plucking, nothing. All right, that wraps up this video. I thank you guys so much, and we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Not quite there, but we're almost there. So if you guys keep sending my videos out and recommending it and subscribing and liking, thank you so much for all the support, and I will definitely come with more other than hair videos. I promise. I'm working. I promise. I love you guys so much, and have a good day, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Jeelovee OnTV.